Did you see that little boy right there in the green shirt singing every word with us? What's your name, young man? Samuel! Come on down! I got a job for you, Samuel. We're at the Echo Hollow Theater, and at some point in time in this program, you're going to hear a train go by. So I thought this would time out perfectly, but who knows? I got to do this now because Samuel has stolen our hearts up here. I'm here to tell you, keep on, keep it on. So Samuel, here's how this works, buddy. How old are you?
7.
7. You got big muscle? Let's see. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You lift weights, you work out?
Yeah.
Well, on this next song, we're going to sing a train song. It's going to be fun. All the kids love it everywhere we go. And so for it to work, you got to blow in this little whistle, and then you got to say, all aboard, and then all of a sudden the train will appear. And that's all you got to do. You think you can do that for me?
Yeah.
Here we go.
All aboard!
Keep that. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
There's a railroad terminal in the sky, and the thunder of the train goes rolling by. It's moving up the track. The lightning flashes in the night, so the engineer will have a light. Nobody on board is looking back. Will say their journey's almost through 1,000 voices. I say hallelujah, hallelujah, in the land where the sun shines night and day, and the angel up there clears the way. Nobody on board is looking back.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
There's a railroad terminal in the sky, and the thunder of the train goes rolling by. It's moving up the track. The lightning flashes in the night, so the engineer will have a light. Nobody on board is looking back. The journey's almost through. I'll sing it, hallelujah, hallelujah. The taking of the tickets at the pearly gates, and saying, oh, we can hardly wait. We're in that terminal in the sky.
We're in the terminal in the sky.